Watch out, another fish.
Buddy,
There's another fish.
it's about to get trigger happy. When there's some.
I put it back where it was. Oh, Brian has it.
Brian, let me see that.
Ah, mother fight!
Hey, Bryant.
You gotta give respect to family.
Hey, we're all about ready to light these fireworks off.
What's up, guys?
Here!
Tigger, Terry Trigger is gonna get trigger happy. All right, Terry, get trigger happy. Let's go, buddy. All right, Terry. It's about ready to get real up in here. Trigger happy.
That woke him up.
Ah, that's pretty right there.
Very wide.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Chunks are
Oh, no, it's all right. Now, that was just the first one. Now, Terry, you gonna light that second one up there?
Wait a minute, I'm gonna move these chairs.
Terry, you gonna light that second one up?
That's the last.
Okay, all right. Well, we coming over here. Guns up. It looks like guns up.
Guns up.
All right. We'll get Terry.
Hey!
We'll get Terry up here lighting this candle here. All right, that candle's lit.
Fire in the hole!
Hey, fire in the hole, Terry. All right, here we go. Ooh, that one's nice. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. There you go, Chuck. Oh, 2 for 1 right there, baby. Hey, now that was good. That was good. That was Chuck Foster-esque right there. All right. Hey, this last one right here.
This is for Chucky.
Hey, this one here, Terry. This one's for Chuck.
One Nation. This is for Chucky.
Okay. Yeah, Chuck Foster was a very good patriot. Patriotic, and this eagle, if you can see it right there, was the same eagle that was on his flagpole. So, Chuck Foster, this one's for you, buddy. So, yeah, we love you. We hope you're looking down on us.
Here we go,
Enjoy it with us, buddy. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Happy 4th of July, everybody.
Yeah!
All right, 2 for 1. That's what we're talking about right there. Oh, baby.
The whole box moved.
Well, that was our 4th of July firecracker extravaganza. Everybody have a happy 4th. Everybody say happy 4th.
Happy 4th!
All right, there you go. All right, and if you didn't hear, they said Jesus loves you. So everybody have a safe and happy 4th.